obwene bwa mwanyabantu gia Kenya National Commission on Human Rights niko giachakirie Richiko erio rigochia kurwanirira obokomwa bantu bakurwanirira obwene bwa mwanyabantu bagwetera gukwana imiomuchie o Nairobi ekiombekio niko giatebire marangi cha mate cha abaigereria abo bwa mwanyabantu nigo chikwenyora sa Knchr aseboigo abasubati abari bakwegerera obwene bwa mwanyabantu bakonerirwa na kubakwa amarieta ye Knchr au
freedom of opinion and expression, looking at some of those bottlenecks and obstacles that have been placed before the human rights defenders, and how do we deal with them. Freedom of association and assembly, there are times when they have been denied registration, for instance. So how do we deal with such? Their participation in public affairs without any discrimination. And again, we noted even in the counties, some county governments, when they know that you are a human rights defender and you have come to raise some issues as a Kenyan citizen in that particular county, there is a negative connotation given to those human rights defenders. And sometimes they are even denied, access to such kind of public participation. And of course, liberty and security of the person is very key. And as you saw from the report, the number that were killed, HRDs killed over this period, there were 8 of them. So why should we lose lives of people who are raising issues? HRDs on land matters, which are very sensitive in this country, and ignore it. They bear the brunt of the reactions from various duty bearers. And so we lost 8 HRDs during the reporting period of 2020 to 2022, which shouldn't have actually happened, and that compromises the right to life as well. We needed to establish a framework where the sharing of data, very confidential data, would be guaranteed. So that if civil society organizations have collected data, very sensitive data, how do we ensure that is protected beyond the law that we already have in place? So those are some of the frameworks that needed to be put in place so that then the multi-agency institutions could share that very confidential information without compromising the security